Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Virtual Families 3. So you can see my coins right there, not anything impressive, but let's enable unlimited coins and see if the mod does its job. Yo, it's working! So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's fully working for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So first thing is first, we need to figure out how to download this. So what you want to do is go to tweakmod.com, go to the search bar, type it in, and then press install. It's going to start downloading onto your device. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So before it downloads, you may have to do a little I don't know how to say it, like verification thing where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but it's 100% free. I did it already, so I'll walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So yeah, let's just wait for this to load up. As you can see, all right, so I'm just gonna let it load, and then we're gonna see the final step where we have to download the apps. So here it is, missing files, additional files are required. So you only have to download 2 of them, but you can see all the apps here. So like Melium, Cash Giraffe. Some of these are like email fill-outs, which I wouldn't really recommend. But like Misplay is an easy one. You just press on the app. It brings you to the Play Store or App Store, and then you just do whatever it says. So they've all got their own instructions. Helium Mobile's easy, that one. So yeah, anyway guys, after you do this, the Virtual Families 3 mod should download onto your phone. There is a video to watch if you're confused. But yeah, it's pretty wild. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get a Virtual Families 3 modded version. It's super awesome, and this totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and tell your friends about it, because this is super wild, bro, and it's like updated.